This is Hillel again, and today we are going to present an simple Excel tool so that you can do your tax calculations and know your taxes slab wise. Now this tool is quite user friendly in terms of its usage because it provides you both the options at the same time to compare your old resume and the new resume. Only thing that you have to do is you have to calculate what is your taxable income and input that into the tool. This tool also is very useful in terms of when you are doing bulk calculations for many people. So just go ahead and see the demo.
Let us use this link to download the Excel template. The Excel template should be downloaded in your downloads folder. Now let's go to the download folder, copy the file and put it in a folder that is within the trusted locations. Trusted locations are necessary so that the file can run smoothly. Now let's open the file. We will have version control, instructions, tax cal and tax output sheet. Follow the instructions. Instructions provide you the list of attributes that needs to be filled. Instructions are very clearly recorded in the instruction sheets. So the sheet is very descriptive in terms of its usage. Now let's get on to the tax calc sheet. Tax calc sheet provides the user an option to enter the number of taxpayers and their incomes with some of their parameters. You have an option to enter at the max 30 entries for your tax calculations. Currently, the sheet supports individuals and with the new and the old regime for the accounting year 2022-23. Ensure you have filled in all the mandatory parameters for every user. Then ensure that you have provided your email ID, and then you can calculate tax by clicking on the calculate tax button. The system will calculate the tax in bulk for all the users, and the tax output will be provided in the tax output sheet. Have a look at this sheet. You will see that some of the users or the taxpayers were marked as new regime and old regime. Accordingly, the slab calculations are done and slab wise taxes are provided. With new regime, you have more tax slabs as compared to the old regime. This gives flexibility to do taxes in bulk for many users. Also, you could simultaneously do taxation for single users, or probably the same user can be compared with old and the new regime. At the moment, the sheet supports inputs in the income column which are taxable income. So just ensure that you provide the taxable income after your deductions in the sheet. Let's calculate the tax for the single user, and you could see that the output is generated quickly. This tool itself is quite useful when you are doing tax calculations or comparisons with old and the new regime.